Hello everybody. Today's episode is a bit of a side quest. If you're thinking of splitting your fan apart so that you can clean and paint it nicely like this, don't do it. These are balanced assemblies that were carefully assembled on a jig at the factory so that they are perfectly balanced, and once you split them apart, it is a mission to get them back together. Me, like many people, unfortunately only discovered this shortly after splitting the two apart. So now I have to go through this troublesome process of assembling and balancing the two. So we'll need a dial indicator, piece of wood, a few bits and pieces, just so we can get these two perfectly back assembled and as closely aligned as what we can. So let's get to it. Credit where credit is due. I saw this approach of building this jig on the Samba forums. Thought, no, that's actually an excellent way to get this as close as I can. So here I'm building and following that same approach. It's going to be quite a while throughout this video to be able to actually get through this entire build process. So if you want to jump straight ahead to the balancing, that's about at the 10-minute mark in this video. Clocking this pulley is very, very important. So you can see I've placed the fan with the little pin at the 12 o'clock position, and then the timing mark over here is approximately at the 1 o'clock position. And that gives the correct timing later on as well when the fan is installed, so this is critical. Okay, it's time for the balancing process to begin. So you can see here that I'll start by marking the high spots and the low spots, and then work my way around to try and tap the low spots to be halfway to the high spots and meet in the middle. But you can see this is a long and repetitive process. Okay, it's been a long day, but it's done. Here it is. The best I could get it was 8 1/1000ths of an inch run out, and I've torqued it up to about probably just over 20 Newton meters. I don't want to go anymore. It seems like these fasteners here want to split. It's the nearest I can get it. The strange thing is that the worst cases are not opposite one another, but are actually quite close to one another, less than 90 degrees. So I think the existing run out that we have now is either existing within this pulley as it is, or maybe this has been powder coated. Maybe it's not 100% equal all the way around. I think 8 1/1000ths is okay. And if this thing still goes and throws belt, then I'll just replace it. I think it's going to be okay. And whatever you do, don't be me. Do not split these in half. It's not worth it.